Hello, my name is Don. Welcome to Vibe Trading. I'll be talking about two or three of the most hot stock in the market today. We're gonna quickly dive into technical analysis right here. We're gonna be looking at the ticker symbol Delta India Serial, and this is that Disney stock. Couple of days ago, they said they're gonna be going with their video streaming services that will be going live in November. So this stock has really made a very big push in the last couple of days, and I mean I saw a lot of potential in this stock, and I can still see a lot of potential. You know, let's just quickly look at the 5 days, 5 minute, and see what this stock has done. I'm just gonna clear I'm gonna clear this chart so we can have a very clear vision and see what has really transpired for the last 5 days. For more indication, we can see this stock is really killing it for the last couple of days. It's bringing in a lot of investors, so I'll be looking to take more position. Because we kind of come to this resistance level around this area, the 150 132.70 area. So that's an area I'll be looking to add more to the position I already have to this stock. That's a very crucial area. I'm gonna be looking. It made it to the 132.70 area, and we have some pullback. So we're gonna see what happened. Just looking at it from the 4-hour, 180 days time frame, we can see just for the last couple of days, this stock has already made it's already made a lot of gain, but it has the potential to go really high. So it's made about 16.78% for the last no, sorry, it's made about 16.76 dollar for the last, who knows, for the last 2 to 3 days. So that's really amazing. So I'm gonna keep my close eye. I'm gonna keep this on my watch list for tomorrow. I will be adding more to my position. I think it's a great buy. But you just gotta make sure you do your due diligence before you invest in anything. Uh, so moving on to the next one on my watch list, it's Microsoft, it's Mikel Serial, Foxtrot, Tango. So we're gonna quickly look at this and see exactly what it has to offer. Um, this is a stock I've had in my portfolio before. I sold it towards the end of the second quarter, and before it broke the level of 120. Let's just clear this drawing so we can have a clear understanding of what we're looking at here. So when we look at this chart closely, I just want us to pay close attention to this level right here. We're gonna pay attention to the level of let's see, okay, we're gonna pay attention to this level right here. It was at the level of the 120 area, but it broke the level, and right now we're on it's been to the highest. We have around 121 over 58. So what I would do is I want to keep a really close eye on that level. Hopefully it might be breaking that level tomorrow. If not, it's gonna have a little bit of pullback pending what the overall market is doing. So I'm gonna be paying close attention to that level. If it can go above the 121.58 level, if we can break that level, the market is gonna have a great push tomorrow. So that's a very good area I'll be paying attention. And just looking at the 5 days moving average, I can see it's making a higher high, higher high, higher low. So that's really, really a good stock to keep on in your portfolio. So we can see this is just a trend line. Uh, from the trend line, obviously, it's if it don't break to the downside, which I don't think it's gonna break to the downside, it's gonna push down a little bit, but hopefully what's gonna happen is it's gonna come to this area, and hopefully it's gonna break out somewhere this area to the upside. That's what we're kind of looking. It's gonna break somewhere to the upside on this area. So I'll be keeping my close eye, during the pre-market. It might break during the pre-market, so I'll be looking at take that very trade. So let's just quickly look at the overall market and see what exactly we got on the overall market. Um, I'm going to look at the SPYs. Let's see what is the SPY doing, just for class and just for a very good clear of the market. So when I look at the overall market, the SPY, the last 5 days, we came to this level, the 287 level. We had a few resistance that in that level. Then we moved up to this level where we had a little bit of resistance. Then right now we are in the 290 area. So I want to really, really keep a close eye on that level, the 290 area. I will be taking a trade if I see it breaks that level, and that's the area I'll be keeping a close eye. And our support level will be down this area for the short time frame. That's in this area. That's where we're gonna be looking. So I'll be looking tomorrow. I'll be looking to see if the SPY is gonna break the 290.42 area. And if it doesn't break that level, I will be really cautious with my trade. But I'm looking from all indication, the possibility of it breaking it's very, very high. So let's just go ahead and look at the 4-hour chart and see what exactly we got here. From our 4-hour charts, this chart just looks so beautiful because what we can see, we're just making a higher high. We're just making just a higher high. The up, we might be going up to the 290 level. That's the level we're looking to go up to. But just a quick trend line to tell me what exactly is going, and I want to see the level where it's bouncing. So this is just a very quick trend line. I'm gonna just keep a close eye and see if it's gonna break that trend line, or if it's just gonna bounce like a channel. It will be very, very necessary to keep a close eye on this. Okay, so basically what happened is, if we can look, it's gonna go high, and it's gonna bounce on this trend level. It's gonna make a high level right here, and from what I'm looking, we're gonna have a little bit of pullback before it continue to the uptrend. So let's quickly dive in. Let's just dive in into other security and see. Let's just look at the TVIS. This is just the volatility index that just tells us what's really happening. I mean, in the markets. I mean, we can look at this and just see that it's really, really going down. But I don't know if this is going to be the bottom, because we can't really tell, because of the way things are going. I'm going to look at the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones, I mean, it's just the same. It has the same pattern as the S&P 500. So all the Dow Jones stocks are also doing good. So I will keep my eye on the stocks, on the Dow Jones stocks, just to make sure that I'm able to catch every move it's gonna make, which is gonna be very, very necessary. So quickly, let's draw this resistance level right here. So we're gonna keep an eye on it. Well, Well, thank you for taking your time to just kind of watch our analysis. Leave your comments below at the video as I'll be answering every question. Uh, well, thank you.